everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you a natural African drink that would actually help you to cheat nature. You know that the things that we can't actually cheat nature. If you're old, you're old. If you're young, you're young. But trust me, this drink is going to allow you to do that. Yeah, it's gonna give you the permission to do that. Okay, because it is so strong, it is so powerful, it's so effective, and trust me, when you always take this, you're gonna see it for yourself. Like you're gonna see it, you're gonna see yourself by yourself, literally. Okay guys, without wasting any more time, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me walk you through the video. So guys, I'm gonna be showing you a drink that would help you cheat nature. You know, nobody can cheat nature, but this drink is gonna help you to steal a little bit of that. It's gonna help you to look younger than you are. That is what I mean. Okay, all right, so we're gonna be needing to use cucumber. Now because cucumber contains a whole lot of juice, now it helps so much to retain a lot of fluid moisture into your body, therefore, you know, bringing up moisture onto your skin, making you look younger, making you look glowing and shiny. Okay, so we're gonna be needing to use cucumber, and since I have a huge half cut of my cucumber, I'm gonna be using this one. So first of all, let me wash this cucumber first before cutting it. So I'm gonna be cutting it in cubes. So after cutting that, I'll be transferring it into a blender. Okay guys, so after which we're done blending our watermelon, now we equally need to use orange. We need some orange into this, yeah. So I'm gonna be using just one orange, because the orange contains a whole lot of juice now. So I'm gonna be squeezing out the orange juice. Okay, so here I have orange and lemon juice. I'm gonna be keeping that aside, grabbing my cup and straining my water, my cucumber, sorry. Now this cucumber, I actually didn't put any water, any added water. It's just the cucumber juice that is in here. Water, cucumber juice, and then the very last ingredient you're going to be needing is watermelon. Watermelon is amazing. It's great when it comes to looking young. It makes you look younger than your real age. Okay, so you're gonna cheat nature immediately you finish drinking this drink that I'm about to show you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be putting it into the blender. Okay guys, so we're done blending this. Actually, where's the cup now? You carried the cup, go now. You didn't bring it back. So now I'm going to be straining it out. Alright guys, so this is it. This is watermelon juice, the orange juice, and the cucumber juice. So this is it. This is how it looks like. It's yummy. It's gonna help you cheat nature. You're gonna look super duper young, super duper beautiful, super duper glowing, and super duper 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 baby face, like literally. So you're gonna be drinking this every morning. So it's literally a juice. You're gonna make it, store it inside your freezer or your fridge, and then you drink it early in the morning before taking any other thing. Now after you drink it, you can stay for like at least 30 minutes before eating, or you can stay for 1 hour before eating. Okay, so that's a great way that you can use to overcome aging and get that baby face. All of the ingredients in here are natural, so you can go give it a go. So that's it. Go drink this and cheat nature, like literally. Okay, now what it does is that it's going to make you look younger than your age. It's going to make you look glow. It's going to glow you up from the inside out. It's going to cleanse your colon, clean your intestine, and make you really, really light, beautiful, healthy, and I mean, what else do you want? So you have to be consistent when you're taking this, okay? Make it and keep it, and then you take it all the time. So that's it. If you do love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.